As we all await the start of the Jamaica Premier League, we know this will be a far from perfect season. It's going to be truncated, played at select venues, played without spectators, etc., etc. But one of the festering issues facing almost every club continues to be the unavailability of top players. Even with the announcement of the start date for the league, top players remain away and are still flying out to hustle in the little leagues across North America. But you know, this might well be a blessing in disguise. Think about it. A kind of inadvertent purging of the league of a lot of the older players. Yes. We have long been advocating making our Premier League a developmental selling league, with the clubs specializing in developing and selling young players. And for that to happen, the average age of the teams must come down significantly. So with the senior players missing in action and clubs now forced to field younger players, this might well be the long-term medicine that the doctor ordered for the Premier League. Yes. And depending on how well these young players grab the opportunity, maybe we can just use the time to tell these older players, say, tough luck, but you breach your contract. We no longer need your services. We're going to work with the young players. Yes. Over so. Yes, harsh, but brilliant. No, yes. Brilliant. Yes.